Hello, guys. This is me, Hari Bhattarai from Live with SEO. I'm here to talk about Notion AI. Notion has previously announced the release of their product, Notion AI, but it was only available for the private alpha version. It was on the waiting list, but now it's fully available for everyone to use it. So I'm here to test it out. So without further ado, let's jump into Notion AI and see how good it is. Okay, guys, to use Notion AI, you need to simply go to Google and type Notion AI here, okay? And click on this Notion AI. And obviously, you need to have a Google account or, email account. You need to sign up to Notion, okay? So click on Get Started. So, guys, you need to click plus here, okay? So it's gonna generate a new here, template here, okay? So on that template you need to give it a title. Okay, so I'm going to quickly give a title. So the title is the impact of social media on mental health. Okay, I gave it a title, and when I click on write on impact on of social media, it will quickly you know pull in the information and start writing. Okay, so see, guys, it started writing. Okay, it gave it a conclusion and carefully aligned the formatted text here. So what you can do is you can, if you want to continue, you can use a click on continue writing. You can click on make it longer, so it's gonna make it longer. Okay, so other than that, what you can do is simply select the text, and you can simply ask AI, so improve the writing. If there are typos or grammatical mistake, fix spelling and grammar, you can click on that, and simply check all those grammar and grammatical errors. Okay, so other than that, you can change the tone, simplify the language, summarize, explain, or find the action items. Or there are lots of things in here, guys, you can play around. So I'm for the demo purpose, I'm going to play around with few things. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly select that, and type write a metaphor of this sentence. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, see, based on this input text, it wrote me a metaphor. So social media can be like a warm embrace, providing a sense of comfort, support for those who are going through similar experiences, while also offering a source of inspiration and motivation through shared success stories. So it's good. Okay, so it can write metaphor as well. Okay, so I'm going to quickly test other things in here. Okay, so let me quickly enter it here, and press space. Okay, I will, let's say, summarize here. Okay, so it's gonna summarize the whole article. It saves lots of time, guys. So I find it really intriguing on the first impression. Okay, this is my first time. I'm also testing this. Okay, so explain this. Okay, improve. Okay, so let's just say I want to quickly pull in the another information here. Let's say brainstorm ideas on climate change. Let's see if it gives me ideas. Okay, guys, great. It will give me the bullet points on and brainstorming ideas on this climate change. Okay, encouraging the use of alternative and renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. It is good, valid point, guys, so it works. Okay, so other feature I'm going to test is, let's see if they have, oh, okay, social media post. Okay, like a social media post about, okay, mm, impact of social media on humans. Okay, so it's gonna write me the whole caption with a hashtag, proper hashtag, cyberbullying awareness and responsibility. It does work. It's really good, saves time. And let me quickly check. Okay, simplify the language. It will do outline. Okay, so give me an outline on SEO. Okay, let's see. Okay, great, guys. Gonna give me the whole outline and probably, structured in a, table of content formats. Okay, so good for article writing, blog writing, properly formatted in the Notion. What is SEO? So from the small term, it is continuously expanding its, graph here, knowledge graph, on page, technical, all those stuffs are all included here. It kind of like a, builds a tropical authority or builds a comprehensive table of content. So it's good for SEO as well. While writing the blog, you can simply, if you have a content writer in your team, you can simply give the outline to content writer and simply ask him to write it. Okay, so does work. Okay, so creative story, press release is also there, but I'm going to, let's see, press release. Okay, press release about holy event. Okay, let's see. I'm just testing it out, guys. So today is Holi. So okay, Holi is a popular Hindu festival that is celebrated across the world with great enthusiasm. Festival of colors. Okay, this year Holi is celebrated on March 29, 2021. So this could be a flaw, guys. I'm in 2023, and so it says this year means uh maybe the information given to AI is till 2021 only. So this is a purely a mistake. Okay, so I think the knowledge is given till 2021, guys. So it does work, yeah, obviously, but the knowledge is limited till 2021. So it gives you an article, press release, okay, event date, venue, tickets, all those of things. So it does work. So while writing the press release article quickly, you can do that as well. Summarize also work, translate also works, I know. Change the tone, simplify the language. Okay, so essay. So if you are a student, write an essay about what? AI. Okay, IAL. Okay. So if it does, okay, great, guys. It writes the whole article, the rise of artificial intelligence, what is benefits, drawbacks, ethical issues, all those of things. So it is really good, guys. Also, I noticed, the sentence pattern. The impact of social media on the mental health. If you read through whole article, what it is showing is, if you type the similar prompt on the ChatGPT have a wide vocabulary, so sometimes the sentences are difficult to read. But here in Notion AI, I found out that the sentences are quite simple, easy to understand. So for most of the cases, that is the thing people are looking for, right? So easier to read and process. uh, it could be generic, guys, but most of the time, since these are AI, sometimes the monotonous tone is familiar, you can easily spot it. But comparing it with ChatGPT, I think this has a simpler sentence, okay, than ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is a little bit complicated, comprehensive, and has a wide vocabulary than Notion AI. Okay, but for blogging purpose, I suggest Notion AI because it has a great format here. You can easily, optimize the headings, and it is cleanest form, and the sentences are simpler here, and you can easily format these articles clearly. You can write bullet points, summarize, and all those of stuff you need. Okay, you can change the tone. Okay, make it longer, make it shorter, you can easily do that. Change the tone also, guys. You can have a professional, casual, straightforward, confident, or friendly tone. Okay, simplify the language, can do that for you. There are see more poem also, you can write job description and pros and cons list. Okay, so this is interesting, guys. I'm going to test the pros and cons list. Okay, so pros and cons. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to test pros and cons. Okay, here is pros and cons about, okay, marketing, let's say. Marketing helps business reach a larger audience, increase brand awareness, which is good. On the cons, marketing can be expensive, especially for a small business, limited budget. Okay, guys, it gives really good results and clearly formatted on the bullet points with pros and cons. This could be very helpful if you are doing affiliate marketing, and if you are writing pros and cons of using softwares. Let's just say, let me quickly test it though. Okay, let me quickly pros and cons. Okay, so I'm going to test it out. Pros and cons about Medium. Okay, WordPress, sorry, WordPress. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, it's gonna give you the whole comparison here. Okay, I'm very curious. Okay, if it can give pros and cons. Okay, pros and cons about let's say Samsung S21 versus iPhone 11. Let's see. Okay, guys, here it is. So it's gonna give you all sort of a pros and cons of Samsung S21 and cons of Samsung S21, pros of iPhone 11 and cons of iPhone 11. Let's see if it is any true. iPhone 11 has a smaller, lower resolution screen than. Okay, that's obviously true. Less RAM. Okay. Okay, so it gives you the results. I'm not sure of the specifications, though. I need to cross check. But based on the information that I know, most of the time, I think it's true. Like S21 has 5G connectivity. That's it. Also true. So, see, guys, you can use it for your own blog or tech blog or anything. So, Notion AI is really helpful. So it is available for some credits for the free version, but there are paid uh, version as well. Okay, so you can use paid for that purpose. So also, meeting agenda is there, job description is also there, sales email, also recruiting email is also there, so you can use it, guys. So far, I really like the Notion AI, cleanest form, and it has and the simpler sentence it gives you. Okay, so that's it, you can use it. So I'm going to test few other tools in future, so I will definitely upload here. Okay, so thank you, guys.